My name is J. Ramachandran. I am the chairman of Temple of Fine Arts, Penang. And Temple of Fine Arts was started by our Guru Swami Shantanand Saraswati over 20 years ago. And his spiritual master was one Swami Shivananda, who before becoming a hermit was a doctor in Malaysia practicing medicine as Dr. Kupuswamy. He was based in Johor Bahru, and before war, the World War II, he went off to India and became spiritually active and settled in Rishikesh, North India, which center is very much a spiritual center in India. There he was running outpatient clinic for all the spiritual inclined people in that locality, and hermits and pilgrims heading up to other centers in this region. So my Guru Swami Shantananda was a disciple under him. And during his days in the hermitage, our Guru also used to perform and help in cataract operations, etc. So with that, he got inclined to serving the public, both spiritually and medically. So when it was time that he came to Malaysia, he encouraged his followers, that some of us, to start the institution of Temple of Fine Arts to encourage culture among Indians and others in this country. We have centers in Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Malacca, and in Penang. Our headquarters is Kuala Lumpur. Penang, we've been active for the last 20 years, and his mission in life was spiritual and health. So with that, he encouraged us to start this Sivasanta service center, which has been in existence for the last 15 years. Over the last 5 years, this place in River Road has become very, very active, where we see over 60 to 70 patients on Tuesdays and Fridays in the evenings. And we have also been invited to participate and set up another center at the Bodhi Heart, a Buddhist sanctuary in Mount Erskine. This Sunday we'll be having a medical camp there. Every last Sunday of the month we have a medical camp at Bodhi Heart. The people behind Bodhi Heart have encouraged us to be a part of them, and they have promised to provide us substantial space when they put up their new building to have a proper hospital facility with, well, who knows, maybe even eye surgery, etc. to be done in future. This place here in River Road has acupuncture, universal energy healing, and specialists in various disciplines coming and serving on a rotation basis. So this place has become extremely popular, and if you had seen the number of patients coming here, you would have seen that this place is frequented by Chinese, Indians and Malays, who all come here with a feeling of satisfaction. They feel that when they come here, there is a certain special treatment meted out to them, and they go back all the more happy for having been treated here. I've even heard said by a couple of people, although the medicine given here is the same medicine as given by other centers, other doctors, somehow the medicine given here seems to be having more effect on them. So perhaps that is due to the fact that this place is backed by a spiritual group who want to serve the public to the best of our capacity. And I mentioned earlier to somebody here, if you do not trust the doctor, the best of medicine will not be of effect. So I suppose when they come here, they feel that whoever is treating them is first of all a friend, and second, they become a doctor. So with that attitude of friendship and comfort, anyone who gets treated here feels elevated. They feel they've been treated right royally. You know, there is no either profit as a motive or under pressure in a hospital where you have to see patients in such frequency. Here the doctor sits and talks with the patient, makes the patient feel comfortable, inquires about their problem, that the patient feels in the first place a sense of relaxation, a feeling of happiness that whatever medicines given out sees a greater effect. So with this type of feedback coming from patients, all of us who serve in this clinic feel very highly rewarded for the amount of time that we spend here. The volunteers here, Murugaya and his team of assistants, have done human service to the people of this community. Sometimes patients come even from BM and Nabogtabal when they see the flyers handed out to her, and they know which specialist is going to be in attendance. They do come from afar to consult the doctors who are present here, and they do go back quite happy at the end of the day. So all in all, we feel extremely elated that our service is appreciated, and others are also willing to come forward and help us. The group which does the universal energy healing has become a part of us. They are more friends than volunteers here. The group that comes to do acupuncture is also a very happy group. So like that, our circle of friends and you know, people whom we have relationship with seems to be growing. We hope with that one fine day we'll end up with the vision of our Guru to have a full-fledged hospital with all forms of treatments under one roof. So that is our mission in life, and with God's grace, with the divine masters behind us, we hope it succeeds. Thank you.